Welcome to this tutorial to create a simple logo M. Let's start creating a new file by clicking on New, Create Document. Choose Line Tool, click and drag and make another line. Now select the two lines and increase the stroke. Next we need to copy this and paste and rotate and move to like this shape. Now we're going to reflect all the shape. We can control the lines as you want. And now with this reflection, select all the shape and align top. Let's add some new lines. We'll know the purpose of this for a while. The shape may look a little complicated, but we will see amazing results after some adjustments and use the shape builder tools. And we're gonna use shape builder tools. This tool is great for working with shapes. As we can see, this is the final shape of logo. We can also add the colors and effects as we want.